Hi students, today we will discuss about integration by parts, concept and related to some questions. Okay, now coming to the integration by parts formula. Integration by parts. This is what like integration of f of x into g of x dx equal to f of x integration of g of x dx minus integration of f dash of x integration of g of x dx whole dx. Right, here the main important thing is in the given two functions, what is f of x and what is g of x. Now to decide what is f of x and what is g of x, we need to remember one important word, that is isolate. See, what is isolate? Now I is nothing but inverse trigonometric functions. Inverse trigonometric functions like sine inverse x, cos inverse x, tan inverse x, etc. Now L is nothing but logarithmic functions. Log x, log 3x, log 2x, like that functions. And A is nothing but algebraic functions, that x power n, like that type of questions. T is trigonometric, sin x, cos x, tan x, and so on. Now finally E, exponential functions, that is e power x, a power x, like that type of functions. Now based on this order, if you observe, so in the given function, for suppose if it is x into sin x, for suppose we need to do integration for x into sin x dx. For suppose what is x? Algebraic function. And what is sin x? Trigonometric function. So in this order, which comes first? Algebra. So x we can treat it as f of x, and usually g of x we can treat it as sin x. Now take that question only. For suppose example 1, integration of x into sin x dx. So clearly before saying that x is algebraic function and sin x trigonometric function, so we can treat in this based on this order. Algebra comes first, trigonometry second. So this is what f of x, and this one is g of x. Now by using the formula, now I can substitute the respective values in the formula. Then x integration of sin x dx minus integration of that d by dx of x integration of sin x dx whole dx. So that, and we know x into integration of sin x is what? Minus cos x, minus integration of d by dx of x is 1 into integration of sin x dx is what? Minus cos x, again whole dx. So that is, this one is minus x cos x. Now minus into minus plus, here what will get? Integration of cos x dx. So this one is minus x cos x plus, what is integration of cos x? Sin x plus c. So integration of x sin x dx equals to minus x cos x plus sin x plus c. Now we can move on to the next question, a different question. For suppose if it is like integration of x into e power 2x dx. See, x is what? Algebraic function, and e power x is what? Exponential function. So algebra and exponential, which comes first in these two? Algebra comes first. So x we can treat it as f of x, and this one we can treat it as g of x. Now substitute these values in the formula. Now what we will get? X into integration of e power 2x dx minus integration of d by dx of x into integration of e power 2x dx whole dx. Now, by using the formula of integration of e power ax dx is what? E power ax by a plus c. So by using this formula, now from that x into this integration of e power 2x is nothing but e power 2x by 2 minus integration of d by dx of x is what? 1, and integration of e power 2x dx is nothing but e power 2x by 2 dx. So this one is x into e power 2x by 2 minus 1 by 2 can write outside integration of e power 2x dx. So x into e power 2x by 2 minus 1 by 2 into again integration of e power 2x is nothing but e power 2x by 2 plus c. So finally this one is x into e power 2x by 2 minus 1 by 4 into e power 2x plus c. If you want, you can take further simplification also, that is like e power 2x by 2, if you take common, then what will get here? X minus 1 by 2 plus c. That is the answer. Now we can solve one more question also like this. For suppose if only tan inverse x is given, integration of tan inverse x dx if you want to find. See, we don't have any formula related for integration of tan inverse x, so that I can use by parts only. Then I can write this one as tan inverse x into 1. Now tan inverse x is nothing but inverse trigonometric function, and 1 is nothing but algebraic function. Now from this order, see this inverse trigonometric function, algebraic function. Inverse trigonometric function will comes first and then algebraic function. So here tan inverse x we can treat it as f of x, and 1 now we can treat it as g of x. Now we can substitute in the formula, that is tan inverse x into integration of 1 dx minus integration of d by dx of tan inverse x into integration of 1 dx whole dx. So tan inverse x into integration of 1 is nothing but x minus integration of derivative of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square into integration of 1 is nothing but x whole dx. Now this one x into tan inverse x minus, here if I write 1 by 2 into integration of 2x by 1 plus x square dx. Now see this one, it is in the form of integration of f dash of x by f of x dx. What is integration of f dash of x by f of x? That is log mod f of x plus c. So this is the formula which we can use here. So based on that, what is the derivative of 1 plus x square? 2x. So it is very clear that x into tan inverse x minus 1 by 2, this value we can write as log mod 1 plus x square plus c. Now here if you observe this, here we can use modulus, there is no problem. Without using modulus also no problem, because of 1 plus x square is a positive quantity. So you can eliminate modulus also, no problem. So x into tan inverse x minus 1 by 2, we can add this one like this also, log of 1 plus x square plus c, because of whatever the maybe values of x, this 1 plus x square is positive. So a single term is given integration of tan inverse x, and the formula which we don't know, we can use by parts rule like this by multiplying with 1. So there is no problem with if you multiply with 1. Now for suppose one more question, if it is like this, integration of x into log x dx. See, x is algebraic and log x is logarithmic function. Now coming to the order, logarithmic comes first and algebraic next. So anyway, in the question they given logarithm next, logarithm we can treat it as f of x, and x we can treat it as g of x. Now substitute in the formula, then it is log x into integration of x dx minus integration of d by dx of log x into integration of x dx whole dx. Then it is log x into integration of x is what, x square by 2 minus integration of d by dx of log x is 1 by x, and integration of x is x square by 2 whole dx. Now here x and this square will get cancelled. Now it is x square into log x by 2 minus, you can write 1 by 2 outside. Here what will get, x dx. So that integration of x square log x by 2 minus 1 by 2 into x square by 2 plus c. Now you can take x square by 2 common. If you take like this, then here what will get, log x minus 1 by 2 plus c. So I think all the values which you covered here, because of here it is like inverse trigonometric function, logarithmic, algebraic, trigonometric and exponential, all is covered in these examples. Okay, thank you.